Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. If you haven't done so already, please like this video and subscribe to our Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey YouTube channel. If you're a contractor, you have probably seen the term inland marine insurance and may not know exactly what that is or what's covered under that. So I want to give a quick overview of what inland marine insurance is, and then in the three most common types of inland marine coverage that you would see as a contractor. Inland marine coverage is called inland marine because it covers property, whether it is at your premises, is in storage, in the vehicle on the way to a job site, at a job site where you're working. And so you have coverage wherever it is. It's not just specifically listed as one spot on your insurance policy. And so there are a few different coverages that contractors are going to need for inland marine coverage. The most common is for tools and equipment. Equipment, if you're an excavation contractor and you have things like an excavator, bulldozer, or things like that, you're going to want coverage for that larger equipment. Or if you're a carpentry contractor, a plumbing contractor, hand tools, things like that, are going to be covered under the equipment and tools. Typically, with most carriers, and these numbers can vary a little bit, if any one item is valued over $2,500, you normally have to have that item specifically scheduled on your policy, meaning that you have to have that item listed specifically for inland marine coverage on your insurance policy. Whereas a lot of times you can have miscellaneous tools coverage that will give you a blanket amount, maybe $5,000 to $20,000 is the most common coverage amount. But it will only pay up to $2,500 for any one item in that blanket amount. Next would be what's called an installation floater. This would be for property that you're going to be installing on the job. So let's say you're a carpentry contractor and you have cabinetry, or you're a plumbing contractor that's installing bathroom fixtures like a toilet, shower, that kind of thing. And the installation floater would cover things like cabinetry, toilets, new shower materials, again, while they are your location in storage, in transit to a job site, or at the job site before they're installed. Lastly, would be builder's risk. Builder's risk is going to be more for building or general contractors. If you're building a new building, builder's risk is going to give you coverage during the course of construction. So let's say you have the framing of a building up, windstorm comes through, blows that framing down, has to be redone, and your builder's risk policy would respond there. Or if you have any questions about inland marine coverage or any other insurance questions for contractors, please reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or email to Dan, D-A-N, at shoremurphycasey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.